First job of the year. So this is what we're dealing with. A bit of a wet one, even pumping it out each day, it just kept filling back up. So let's see how we took it from that to this. So this was another project for a returning client of ours. Since they bought the plot, we'd already done all the surrounding boundary fences you might be able to see in the background. You're probably wondering why we excavated so deep. This was because the ground was actually contaminated. A soil report was done. Once the soil was safely off site, we were able to start framing up. The raised beds were made out of softwood treated sleepers. We prefer using these over hardwood because it's easier to work with and we find they don't split. Due to this being a new build property, there were specific council requirements in terms of what soil we could bring in. So we had to use a soil called GP10, which was supplied and brought in by Nick from Comba. Shout out to Nick. Next up was the planting. The client specified they wanted beech hedging. So we supplied and installed these. As you can see, they're going in there nicely. The final part of the job was to make an outdoor cupboard for all the services out the front of the property. As you can see, this is totally bespoke. We did have the doors made up before we started install. Thank you very much Beacon Fencing for supplying these. The client requested a Venetian style cupboard. So as you can see, it's all come together quite nicely. That's the final bits of the furniture on and it's job done. On to the next one.